Hello everybody and welcome back to a Apex pack opening. Let's get right into it. Double rare. Okay, some more Gibraltar stuff. Alright. Ooh, legendary. Alright. Perfect. Double rare. Okay, Kramer skin. Ooh, I saw it flash purple. Longbow skin. And one. Ooh, legendary. Yes! Octane skin!
My legs are ready to go. Some assembly required.
I like that launch. Oh my god. What? Another legendary? Alright. Shit, I'll take it. I call hacks. I didn't, but I call hacks. Another legendary? What the fuck? Excuse the French. I'm sorry. Another legendary. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, last three. Here we go. Double rare. Another skin for Octane. Alright, last pack. Alright, I like that a lot. Well, I'll see you in the drop. I'm sorry.
And it fucking
I'll buy
sucks.
that. I'll order it next.
Nice webcam mic, bruh.
My bad, dude.
Making contact with
Where are
enemy.
we going?
Hostile spotted.
Alrighty. Let's go over
Let's
there.
land here.
Or actually, specifically there.
I'm just gonna turn you down for the time being. Hopefully mitigate it. Turn you down to 57. Nobody's gonna be able to hear you, including me, but oh well.
Ah, I'm a loud person. You'll hear me.
Why did you pick the opposite end of the fucking map?
Because the hot zones was like pretty close up, so everyone's gonna go there. We'll have this team more to ourselves.
Yeah, there's 2 other teams already here.
What?
Round one. Beginning
We got this. They'll
countdown.
die.
The enemies are shooting at me. Frag out.
On my way.
Scanning the area.
Fucking course!
I'm on my way. Come to me.
I'm down.
Attention. First blood. First blood.
They're right here.
Hostile right here.
Over there.
Ah, I almost got him. He's almost dead.
So close. New kill leader appointed.
Come here, come here.
Careful. New kill leader.
Oh no, the other one found me.
Great.
Looking for me? Here I am.
He's taking your shit.
I know. I had to. You know,
Alright, this guy's not coming to get us. I'm out.
Yep. I'm over it. And that is what we.
Wish there was a
call
way to
bad team.
report people from the lobby. Like, fuck this guy. Ba-da, ba, ba, ba-da. Ba-da, ba-da-da-da. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
This is your champion.
Da-da-da-dum. I think that somehow my Streamlabs got unhooked from my
Guide us to victory below.
my Twitch.
I will not.
I'm the jump master.
Oh, it me.
Down,
Yeah, give
except
it
by
to you.
falling. Let's land
I'm
here.
going over here.
Hold your breath. If you have a respiratory system.
Hello.
Is it
It me.
you're looking for?
Not the right song at all.
I know.
But I
I found this.
appreciate the effort.
I found a funny little video where they connected the.
I'm
two.
going here. Go somewhere else.
Oh boy! Don't worry, I'm not taking any of your stuff. Just leaving.
I will kill you.
The other teams landed over there.
I will come to your house and kick your family to death while you watch.
Oh well. I mean, I love them. I don't think I could stop you though.
Wow. It sounds like you wouldn't really try either. I have no weapons.
I got a P2020.
Don't ever suggest that I pick up that garbage ever
I
again.
got an R99. Is that better?
A lot.
Well done, friends. First blood.
Round
Especially
one.
since I have a purple extended mag for it.
We've got trouble. We have
I can hear
oh.
everything that's going on in your computer,
I
and
am
it's really
so
annoying.
sorry. Dude, yeah, I'm gonna order, I'll order that new headset.
New headset, new microphone, whatever it takes. Got him.
What headset do you recommend?
You can literally just use regular headphones. Just get a better mic.
Oh.
Oh, somebody around here.
I have a havoc.
Nice work, you're good.
And my controller's vibrating like crazy.
I have nothing.
Reloading. Healing my throw an arc star.
No! I failed! My zippy boy.
Let's go here. Backpack here. Level 2.
Where are these guys?
Don't worry, it won't slow you down.
Cool.
Copy that. Stims. Recharging my shield. Ready to fly on a zip line? I am.
Tempting. Tempting.
Someone traveled through here.
Thank you, kind sir.
Ooh, a helmet, finally. I'll protect the one thing that I don't need to protect. There's someone behind us.
Reloading. Enemy taken. Reloading. Reloading. Took out an enemy.
Oh, he had a fast heal backpack. There is a god.
Reloading.
I need ammo desperately. Energy and light.
Come here. I got light. I picked up a couple light boxes for you. Earlier. Here you go.
You're my hero.
Move.
Calling upon nature's strength. Marking your surroundings. Must go faster.
I lost this dude. I have no idea where he went.
Someone traveled through here recently. Let's go this way. Firing. Hostile spotted.
I don't have a gun that can hit him.
Here I go. Taking fire. Arc star out. I'm down. Reloading. Enemy down.
I'll pick him up.
Let know. I will assist you. I killed an enemy.
I need ammo or else I'm going to die. There's a dude in here.
Amigo, let's go here. Taking fire, friend.
Fuck. Got him.
Defeated.
I need ammo.
He had that box is gold. I wanted. Killed him.
Nap time's over.
Ow, mother!
Him down, but alive.
Where is he? He's over there.
Don't worry, I'm here.
I think I got a ping right around him. Sir, now let's try that. There was a gold thing in there.
Closing.
Yeah, I took it.
We are
What was
inside
it?
the ring. Good faith.
I don't remember.
Oh.
Charging up my shields. Recharging
Okay,
my
I
shields.
have one shield charger. Not an emergency.
Active squads remain.
Okay, cool. I found some
Healing my wounds.
health.
Fire in the hole. Frag grenade set.
Oh, you bitch. You took my fucking purple extended mag.
Oh, care package, sweet.
I'm sitting here with 4 kills, but this guy thinks that he needs stuff. Okay, whatever.
We could always run away from him.
We should probably retreat at least a little bit because it
Yeah,
looks
I
like
have
somebody's
no
got
ammo.
just like got a beat on us.
I have
All right.
no ammo.
I'm going this way. Feel free to follow me.
If he doesn't, that's his problem. I saw an enemy go over here, so there's probably not going to be much that way.
Let's go this way. Contact.
Someone went that. But
Using grapple.
definitely this way.
Let's go this way.
Lips as sweet as candy.
There was only a purple sight in here. The one of the ones you don't like, I think. The
Oh
ooh,
shit!
energy. Finally.
I just dropped my ammo. I meant to drop this fucking stock. I still need ammo if anybody's got extra.
I don't, but he's gonna loot all of those before we get anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to.
Anybody need energy ammo?
Do you need it?
I don't know.
I got 15 bullets. Do
I don't need energy ammo anymore. I could use an extended mag though for heavy.
Alright. I don't have those.
Even a white.
Oh, that is so much better. Now I just need to slap a barrel
Let's go
stabilizer
this
on
way.
it.
Round 2.
Come with me, and you'll see.
We have the benefit. We are inside the ring. Here I go.
A world of delicious loot.
Heavy ammo, and he took it. I'm just gonna pick everything up that I think you're gonna. I'm just gonna give it to you in there.
This dude's.
Fuck this guy.
Is there any way to see how much damage he's done?
I think maybe.
I wish there was like team stats in this game so I could see like what this guy's doing. If there's a good reason that he's taking all the stuff that we need.
I don't know the button for it.
Or maybe he's just a cunt.
Here, come here. I got some. I did pick up stuff for you from here.
Light ammo?
Yes.
Oh,
40
yes.
40 rounds.
Yes!
I picked it up
Oh
for
my
40
god,
rounds.
yes!
Oh, also.
Thank you.
Go get that thing on the roof.
Now,
Reloading. Down one.
You jack into it.
not gonna do that.
Ooh, he's almost dead. I hit him a lot.
Reloading. Reloading.
Oh, shit.
Grappling. Get shot at. Contact with hostile.
Get me.
Healing. Ah, this is taking too long. Reloading. Enemy taken down. Close. It's go time. Reloading. Reloading.
There's another dude to our right. Just grab his tags and. Oh wait, never mind. He's not dead.
Thank you. Sergeant Shields, come on, come on.
Oh, bullshit. I was hiding in a bush behind a box. Get the random fucking headshot.
I am
Headshot.
Well, I'm pretty well pinned. No. Hmm.
Ooh, good shot.
Ah, fuck. I can only do so much.
Let's relocate here.
How did he do 700 damage with 2 kills? Oh, he might have gotten a handful more.
This dude's really trying to say chaos. What a fucking idiot.